Hey guys, welcome to this AirTag tutorial. And here I'll detail how to connect AirTag to iPhone without tab. So if you just got your AirTag or you are taking the ownership of the AirTag from someone else and now you discover that the AirTag is no longer there. The AirTag is the nylon that comes with the AirTag that just need to pull out so that the AirTag can connect to the battery and then you start using it. So here, if you have an AirTag without the tab and now you want to connect the AirTag to your iPhone so that you can use it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to connect AirTag to iPhone without tab, there are two approaches you need to take to do this. So and here, I'm going to walk you through this step on how you can do this on both ways. Mark you, if you are taking the ownership from your parents or your friends, all you just need to do to connect the AirTag with your iPhone without tab is first go and open Find My on your iPhone or on the previous user's iPhone. So search for Find My. Once you can find that here, then make sure you click on either devices and then locate the AirTag or click on items. Then here you're going to see the name of the items. Then here I have my keys. Click on that. Now I want to scroll down. Locate remove item at the bottom and click on it. Now the essence of this is to be able to remove the AirTag from this particular device so that you can be able to pair it with your new iPhone or iPhone without the tab. Then go ahead and click on remove, then tap remove. Now this is going to remove the AirTag from any previous owner, and afterward you're going to hear a chime from the AirTag. Now you should see another screen pop that says connect to this AirTag. Now close that, and now you can now go ahead and connect the AirTag to your iPhone without the tab. Then how do you do this? Literally, if you put the AirTag and your iPhone close together, then there's supposed to be a pop, whether the iPhone is new or not. But if the pop is not coming up just because you've removed the AirTag tab, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Find My application on your iPhone. Find My. Now once you open it, just come to items, click on add items. Then here you want to select add AirTag first. So once you click on add AirTag, this is going to pull up the page to connect your AirTag and your iPhone together. Then you can see, make sure your AirTag and your iPhone are close together, and then we're going to see this button that says AirTag and then connect. Then once you hit the connect button, you want to select your AirTag name here. So it could be backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphone, jacket, keys, luggages, umbrella, and like that. Then here I'm going to use keys. Go ahead and click on continue. Then agree to this time and service so that the AirTag can be linked with the new iCloud account or Apple ID account. So this could be your Apple ID account or the new user's Apple ID account. Then click on agree. Then you should see your iPhone and the AirTag is trying to connect together by popping up connecting. And once it is connected, you should see the AirTag connected to your new iCloud account. Then go ahead and click on done. Then if you come back to the items here, then you should be able to see your new AirTag that shows the AirTag has been connected to your iPhone without the tab. However, if that does not work for you or you want to try another means, all you just need to do is this. Grab the AirTag. You just need to counterclockwise open it to open the AirTag battery. Then once opened, go ahead, remove the battery. Insert and then press it until you hear a chime. Then once you hear a chime once, you need to do this 4 more consecutive times. 3, 4, 5. Then go ahead, close the AirTag perfectly. So like this, then lock it. Once this is locked, this is going to reset the AirTag. Now go grab your iPhone again. On the iPhone, launch Find My. Then here you should see your AirTag here. You see that? Then if the AirTag is not found on the list of items or the AirTag fails to reset, then you need to repeat the process again by removing the AirTag from your iPhone Find My like this, and then scroll down and tap remove items. Then follow the process on the screen. Then once you tap the remove item, this is going to remove the AirTag again from your iPhone, and then you're going to hear a chime again on the AirTag. Then instantly there should be a pop that says pair your AirTag and your iPhone together because you no longer have the tab. Then if that doesn't comes up, just go ahead and click on add item. Then select your item. Then click on Add Ear Tag. Then this is going to search for the ear tag. After you've reset it, then you should see this pop. Tap Connect. Then select what we want to use the ear tag with. Here, I'm going to use it with my keys. Click on Connect. After selecting it, and tap Agree. Then wait for the Apple ID account and the ear tag to connect together. Then this might take a couple of seconds, like less than 10 seconds. And after that, just go ahead and click on Done. Once you hit the Done button, then you are done. Then the ear tag and the iPhone are now connected together. So that's basically how to connect ear tag to iPhone without tap. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.